Ever pondered over the current state of your lifestyle? Feeling the need to bring about a change that not only transforms your physique, but also your overall well-being? Well, the Healthcare Biodiversity Diet is a step in that direction. This diet is not just a program, but a partner that assists in shedding those extra pounds while adopting a lifelong healthy eating approach. It doesn't ask for drastic changes, but suggests slight tweaks in your everyday routine. Imagine being able to lose weight while munching on your favorite fruits and veggies, saying no to late-night TV snacks, and dedicating a mere 30 minutes to physical activity. Crafted by experts at Healthcare Biodiversity, this diet is rooted in the latest behavior change science. It acts as a compass, guiding you to discover inner motivation, set achievable goals, and overcome any roadblocks you might face on this wellness journey. The Healthcare Biodiversity Diet is a two-phased program. The first phase, Lose It, is a 2-week kickstart focusing on building healthy habits and shedding weight safely. The second phase, Live It, is a lifelong approach where you'll be guided through food choices, portion sizes, menu planning, physical activity, and maintaining your goal weight. Alongside this, Healthcare Biodiversity Diet also offers digital tools like a food and exercise journal and a weight tracker to make your journey smoother. The focus is more on healthy eating and less on meticulous calorie counting. The Healthcare Biodiversity Healthy Weight Pyramid is your guide to filling up on veggies and fruits, while enjoying a variety of tasty foods that support weight loss. Physical activity is another key component, with recommendations for at least 30 minutes a day. The program also offers easy-to-follow exercises to boost fat loss and enhance mental well-being. The Healthcare Biodiversity Diet is not just about shedding pounds. It's about reducing health risks associated with weight-related issues like diabetes and heart disease. It's a positive, practical, and enjoyable approach to long-term well-being. So what are you waiting for? Start your Healthcare Biodiversity Diet journey today. Remember, safety always comes first. While generally safe, if you're new to a fiber-rich diet, expect minor digestion changes. If you have any health conditions, always consult your healthcare provider before embarking on any weight loss journey. Step into a healthier, happier you with the Healthcare Biodiversity Diet.